Have you ever wondered what a day of a 21-year-old looks like?
Yeah, we know. School, gym, friends, work, productive day.
What about an unemployed 21-year-old? No, I'm serious.
I am having a shot of tequila on a Thursday at 2 p.m. My day could start off like any other person. I get up and I get ready for my day. I do the typical morning scene. Brush my teeth, wash my face, pick up my hair. So if you were wondering what being unemployed could look like, welcome to the Unemployment Diaries. Or it could also look like this. But I think we'll have a productive morning today. Let me be honest, I usually take later classes, but this specific teacher and this specific class is given on 7 a.m.s on Thursdays. Best believe I'm gonna be there because when I like something, I'm obsessed. So besides Disneyland, this Math Fusion class is the only thing that can get me up out of my bed in the crack of dawn. So best believe I'm getting up, brushing my teeth, washing my face, putting my hair in these fuck-ass braids to get to that Mat Pilates class. Good morning! It is 7:09 p.m. Oh, am I asleep? I'm on my way to my Mat Fusion class.
Oh my god, I'm tired.
Usually Thursdays is when I have early as... Why did it just not cut? I would say usually my classes range from like 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Sometimes I do take away my sleep and I come to an early class just because I really love this class. It's like a mix of Pilates and yoga, but it's very much a sculpting class and I loved it. No matter how many of these classes I come to, I will never get used to waking up this early. It's just not my vibe. All my friends that work usually come to the gym and work out pretty early because they have to get out of the way because they're gonna have to work. They're gonna have to work all day. So I know a lot of my friends are used to coming this early and like they like coming this early and like props to them, but girl, that just is not me. Is that my friend? Is that my friend? Oh my god, wait, that's my friend. Whew. Let's go work out. My god, just got out of my class. That was an amazing class, but it definitely was a little difficult. I'm tired. I'm just simply one of those people that has to like eat breakfast or have something in their stomach before working out, but I am just not about to get up like a whole hour earlier to be able to eat breakfast. Like, I'm just gonna push it through. I think I'm low-key going to go to Vaughn's right now. My favorite breakfast right now. I hyperfixate on things and right now it's eggs on like avocado toast kind of. Let's put a pep in our step, people. Let's put a pep in our step. Some of us have some important things to do.
Try being an influencer for a day.
Now, let's talk. I'm not necessarily genuinely unemployed. Social media is my job and it has been my job for years now. It is not a typical job. It looks different for absolutely everybody. Compared to my friends, my sister, my parents, like I don't have an average schedule. To a lot of people, it's like, okay, so she doesn't have a job because she's just in her room. Oh my god, was there an accident, guys? Be careful on the road. My day-to-day looks like what an unemployed bitch would be doing. We do have an issue at hand. My mom made breakfast. Welcome, weenie. If you're Mexican, I know you grew up eating it. You're so beautiful to me. Someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed. What you? What you? I really did have the plan to make my good yummylicious breakfast, but honestly got plans today and I should get ready soon. So why are we gonna waste more time when mommy made me breakfast right here? One thing that I'm not gonna retire in my 21 years of living, I think I'm going to be having children and making them chocolate milk as I make myself chocolate milk. I heard you.
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
21 years old and eating the food my mommy made me. Just eat all of them. It's officially 11. We are going to PB. We're gonna get some mimosas and then we're also going to Brandy, which I love going to Brandy, but right now I'm actually trying to not spend money. My friend's exact text was like, I want to get really pretty and done up and go do this activity. Some days look like literally you just see my feet spawn in different locations. Maybe sometimes my bed, maybe if I'm feeling crazy I go to the loft, if I'm feeling extra crazy maybe downstairs. Hair is done. It's officially time to start getting ready. These patches actually feel super nice. They're the topicals one. They're the brightening eye mask. I really like them. I've had people in my personal life, but also on social media ask like, how do you make money? Where do you make money? How much money do you make? First things first, I am still a student. A lot of people think just because I don't really make videos anymore about school that I don't go to school. I still very much do go to school. As for social media and job related things, social media is my only job and has only ever been my only job. I have never worked a normal job. I've never been like a server. I've never, you know, worked at a store or a restaurant. Where I've made my money and where I continue to make my money is social media. The good thing about social media is you can monetize on a lot of different platforms. So I don't just make money off necessarily like YouTube. For a lot of people, I'm unemployed. Even though I am making money, because of the way my schedule looks like, it looks like I'm unemployed. So I'm being honest with you guys. Yeah, my day-to-day, I don't have crazy structure or schedule. For me, my YouTube channel and my social media is based around my life, and that's how I always wanted it. Are you guys okay? The reason why I'm making this video is I honestly got inspired by this YouTuber, Erica Dane, I think her name is. I've watched a couple of her videos before and I think she's such a sweet, cute girl, and she made a video like this and showed her like day-to-day. She was like, I get unemployed allegations even though she's a successful YouTuber, honestly, and I'm pretty sure she probably has like 1 million subscribers. Like, that is fully her job. Like, but she still gets those unemployed allegations because the way social media is, like, it's like your schedule, you don't have a set schedule. Your work is going to brand events or filming yourself get ready, like filming yourself do things you already do. There's been events I've been invited to or gone to that is literally like going to the event and that's an event, that's work, which is crazy and like super fun. It gets confusing because it's like, how is that work? But it is like, it's like social media is such a confusing job that like I understand why there's unemployed allegations. It's also my reality and I'm super grateful for it. So today you guys are seeing what a day-to-day looks like for the unemployed. What time is it?
It's 1:50
on a Thursday. And where are we?
We're getting some drinks.
Cheers. Sarcastic. Oh, okay. I'm gonna start an OnlyFans.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Disappointed?
Oh, okay. I don't think I'm gonna drink this anymore.
Oh, okay. Cheers, bottoms up. I don't like that. No, Ale, I don't like that. 2:57 and we're some mimosas in. I'm about to get a shot. If I have a shot of tequila. I have a shot of tequila on a Thursday at 2 p.m. Why am I drunk right now? That was the most disgusting thing I've ever had in my life, but at the same time, it did something to me that like nothing else can do. Look at these polka dot shorts, so cute. I think I'm gonna pick these up. There she is. Oh my god, I love these for working out. What is this set? What is this set I'm seeing right here? I like this, and I'm seeing a matching top over there. Wait, like beautiful. Bags are secured. Oh my god. I have been rotting for so long now. I think it's like 11. This unemployment life got tired.